Who told you to eat the rest of the food in there? Did they tell you to eat the leftover? I'm walking you 2 times in the morning and another at night. Just to lose weight. Did you see my sacrifice to you? Did you see my hard work? And you're just stealing food? Don't do it again. Okay? Otherwise, I will not give you food the next day. Do you want to be hungry?
I'm taking you to Elf Club for the tree lighting on Saturday.
Do you want to be hungry?
Do you want tree lighting? Like we painted it with cactus when you were singing. Right.
I'm trying my best. I'm doing my best for you to lose weight. And then you're just stealing food? That's not nice. Not good. I'm not happy with it. You know, I'm not happy. I'm really not happy. So don't do it again, okay? You're my best dog. You're my best boy. And then you're doing that? Don't look there. Mommy will not help you.
Don't look there, Mommy will not help you.
Mommy will not help you.